Fat loss isn't hard because you've lost discipline or need to get more motivated. It's hard because most weight loss advice wasn't designed for moms who are reheating their coffee 3 times before 10 a.m. We're out here juggling fevers, field trips, drive-through dinners, and kids who suddenly refuse to eat the food they begged for yesterday. And then someone online is telling us to eat perfectly portioned meals and track every single gram, like we don't have tiny humans melting down in the background. You don't need more willpower. You need a system that works with your life and not against it. Fat loss doesn't fall apart because you gave up. It falls apart because your plan expected you to live like you don't have kids. If you're new here, hi, I'm Rebekah. I'm a registered dietitian, a strength trainer, and a mom of 3. After my first baby, I tried to jump back into everything I used to do before kids. Long workouts, clean eating, tracking every calorie, doing all the healthy habits that worked for me before motherhood. And not only was it miserable with a newborn, it wasn't even working anymore. That's when I realized that the healthy lifestyle I had before kids wasn't built for my life anymore. And it definitely wasn't built for my new mom body. It wasn't until my second and third baby that things finally changed. I lost 35 pounds twice, not by doing more, but by learning how to eat for my body type and build strength and nutrition habits that actually fit mom life. And that's what I teach now. So that's how I ended up here. And it taught me something most programs completely ignore. Moms don't quit because we lose discipline. We quit because routines fall apart the second a kid gets sick, someone wakes up early from a nap, or dinner plans change. Most programs assume you have the time and structure of someone who can eat in peace and shower alone. They don't picture you eating cold leftovers off a toddler plate, finishing snacks in the car, or squeezing in dinner while driving to gymnastics. You don't need a stricter plan. You need a plan that can survive real life. So instead of trying to be perfect, we have to make our bodies easier to work with first. And that starts with something really simple. Before we jump in, the easiest way to make what I'm about to teach actually work in your life is to start with my free 3-day fat burning reset. It's not a diet, it's just a simple way of eating that keeps your blood sugar stable. So you're not fighting cravings, afternoon crashes, or the urge to snack the second the kids go to bed. Once those things calm down, the habits we're about to talk through become 10 times easier to stick to because your body isn't working against you anymore. Start with the reset. It gets your cravings out of the way. Once your body's on your side, the real challenge becomes sticking with something, and that's where most moms struggle. Here's the real problem. Most plans expect you to live like you don't have kids. They're built around strict tracking, perfect meals, long workouts, and quiet kitchens. All things that disappear the second someone spikes a fever or refuses the dinner they loved yesterday. You're not failing because you keep restarting. You're restarting because no one taught you how to do this as a mom. When you're breastfeeding, barely sleeping, working, doing school pickup, chasing toddlers, navigating tantrums and homework, perfection is not an option. So it's not that you can't lose weight. It's that your life doesn't match the plan. If your results depend on perfect days, you'll always feel like you're starting over. That's why we don't build fat loss around perfection. We build it around habits that keep going even when life is upside down. So if perfection keeps falling apart, the solution isn't trying harder. It's building something you can repeat on any kind of day. And that's exactly what this next method does. It's called the 1-2-3 method. And it's a simple, good enough rhythm that you can hit on any day without tracking, meal prepping, or planning your entire life around your goals. It goes like this: 1 protein-forward meal, 2 snacks that don't spike your blood sugar, or no snack at all, 3 strength movements, under 5 minutes total. Not perfect eating, not perfect training, just a repeatable rhythm. You can be running on fumes, ordering takeout, eating while driving to urgent care, and you can still do 1, 2, 3. It sends your body the same signals over and over, so it starts adapting even if the rest of your day is chaos. Let me show you how simple this actually looks. We'll start with the first piece. 1 protein-forward meal. Protein controls hunger, stabilizes blood sugar, and protects muscle. It's the difference between I'm starving again and I can actually function until the next meal. Here are some examples. Eggs and chicken sausage, Greek yogurt and berries and nuts, a protein smoothie and something to chew. Most moms undereat protein without realizing it. Not because we're trying to, but because we're constantly finishing kid food or grabbing quick bites like crackers, bites of granola bars, or leftover mac and cheese. Those foods fill your stomach for 5 minutes, but they don't tell your brain that you ate, and protein does. Once you set your meal up with protein, the next thing is what happens between meals, and this is where blood sugar matters. The second is 2 blood sugar friendly snacks. When blood sugar swings up and down, you crave food all day, especially at night. So choose things like cheese and grapes, nuts and berries, or a real meal instead of grazing. Most women think we eat healthy but can't stop snacking. Not because we're hungry, but because our blood sugar is on a roller coaster. Tiny bites all day train your brain to want food constantly. When you stabilize blood sugar, you don't just stop snacking, you stop thinking about food constantly. And then the final piece isn't food at all. It's how you tell your body to get stronger. 3 strength signals. Yes, moms lift all day, but that keeps you surviving. It doesn't build muscle. We need intentional strength signals. Things like 10 squats, 10 rows, even if it's with a backpack, 10 incline push-ups on the couch, 5 minutes, no sports bra required. Being busy and being strong are 2 different things. Carrying kids keeps you going. Strength training tells your muscles to grow, protect your joints, and burn more calories at rest. Okay, so let's put that all together and see what it looks like on a real life day, not a perfect day. Kid is homesick. You're not meal prepping or working out at the gym. You're surviving. 1 protein forward meal. Eggs, frozen sausage, smoothie you drink while holding a kid. 2 blood sugar steady snacks or none. Cheese and fruit, nuts, or just eat a real lunch instead of bites of kid food. 3 strength movements. It can be in front of Bluey, squats, rows, incline push-ups. That's a day most moms call a lost cause. But instead, you moved forward. You didn't do everything, you did the things that matter. And see how doable that is? It doesn't depend on everything going right, just the things that matter. You don't need perfect days, you need repeatable ones. That's how results stick. Not by tightening up harder, not by tracking every single gram, and definitely not by restarting every Monday. By repeating something you can actually do on the hectic days, not just the easy ones. And when you repeat that, something really cool happens. Imagine what happens when your body isn't fighting you anymore. When you're not starving between meals, when you're not crashing at 3 p.m., when you're not thinking about food constantly, when getting stronger doesn't require perfect sleep or a 2-hour gym session. That's the point. Not to make you obsess with food and fitness, but to make it something you don't have to overthink anymore. Something that just fits. So the best place to start is simple. Start with the 3-day fat burning reset. It gets the cravings and crashes out of the way, so the 1-2-3 method becomes effortless. And when you're done, watch the video that builds on this perfectly. The fat loss habit no one talks about, but should. Click it right here on the screen. And hey, if this gave you a light bulb moment, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. We do fat loss the realistic way around here. Not perfect, just the next best choice. I'll see you in the next one.